All right, Henny, what's your update for this week?
Okay, so this week I actually saw my supervisor Fabian run his Western blot completely from day 1 to day 2. And the first one didn't go as well. We didn't get the results that we were expecting. Well, actually, we didn't get any results at all due to some problems with the antibodies. So we rerun that between yesterday and today, and now we got some signals in the readers, so that looks good, and I'll be studying my own tomorrow.
Good evening. So in my lab, we're continuing the study of these VATPases and receptors that allow the intake of glucose and fatty acids, and we're manipulating that through translocation and transfection of siRNA. So that's been really exciting because I've been learning a lot, and I've been busy and getting some autonomy in the lab. They're giving me more and more tasks, so I'm trying not to screw it up. And I guess it's been so busy that I had to miss lab day out for the neuroscience department, but that's okay because I'm going to lab day out with the molecular genetics department, my department. So otherwise, did some Western blots. That was a good experience, and more cell cultures to come.
Okay, this past week, so we're still running some tests on different samples using the same antibody that I talked about last time, and so we're still waiting for the new one to come in. But also Pablo, my supervisor, he had me train/walk through the whole entire Western blot process with 2 other new people in the lab. So I'm kind of like training other people on something that I just learned. So that was fun. And then that's pretty much it. So just testing out myself.
Okay, so last week I did immunohistochemistry BDRU. Because it's going to be double staining along with our other staining, which I can't remember. I think it might be Crescent Violet. But we found out that our exposure time was too long, so we had really, really dark cells. So next time we'll half the exposure time. And this week I actually was introduced to the microscope, so I've been doing stereology for the past couple of days, and mostly without my supervisor, so that was kind of fun because I basically got to figure out everything on my own, but I'm getting really good at stereology. So that's it.
Right? Last week was my first week in lab, literally. What I really did was to shadow one of the undergraduate that's doing what basically I'll be doing as well. So I watched her run the first staining using immunohistochemistry, and the second round I got to almost run it on my own. But I still have her around, but like I was mostly more independent in that part, and it was okay. So after staining, we have to look at the cells in the microscope. So far I haven't been able to use it because I haven't been introduced to it yet. So that's what I look forward to now. That's going to be, I guess, the next step.